Welcome back. For most of us, food is so important that the tradition is sometimes called the kitchen religion. Practicing her kitchen religion, Radhika shares her skills in our conscious cooking menu today with the preparation of a scrumptious Tikka Gobi, where the humble cauliflower becomes prasad, sanctified by offering it in devotion for the pleasure of the Lord. Nonetheless, it will leave you licking your fingers. Okay,
Today we are making Gobi Tikka, also known as cauliflower.
Radhika, normally people stay away from cauliflower.
And with good reason too. It's a very gassy vegetable, so to speak. So a lot of people have tummy issues, but there's a way to counteract that gassy nature of cauliflower.
Okay.
We use in preparation of gassy foods, we use what is known as asafoetida, also known as hing. So this cuts out some of the gassiness when you eat gobi.
Okay, wonderful. So let's start.
Okay, our main ingredient is for the marinade, we're going to make a nice marinade, is yogurt and a thick full cream yogurt. This is not the time to use a low-fat yogurt. Okay, so a nice full cream yogurt.
So this can be your cheat day meal.
It can be a cheat day meal, but it's also very simple and light. And I'm going to be pairing it with a lovely couscous as well. So it's a nice healthy meal, and it's going to work well together. So the other ingredient is a little bit of paprika. It gives a nice redness to the marinade. Cumin is also a very nice dish to be used in Indian cooking. We have normal chili powder. I've used Kashmiri red. Again, it enhances the color of the marinade. And this is just a little bit of some chopped dhania as well. It presents very well when it's coated with the marinade. On this side, we have some black peppers for some heat. Red chili flakes also for a little bit of heat, but I've left it very little as well. And this is also very, very important in Indian cooking. It's called kasuri methi. It's dried methi, and a little bit of it gives a nice tang to savory foods. So this is going to enhance the flavor of this entire spicy marinade.
Okay, that's lovely.
So shall we get started?
Absolutely, after you.
Okay, so let's add all our spices to our marinade.
Okay.
The cumin, our chili powder, the asafoetida, our kasuri methi, a little bit of black pepper, and some chili flakes. Okay, we're going to give it a nice stir, and you'll see it start to take shape nicely. It's such a simple dish to prepare. Okay, the trick to this dish here is actually the marinade. It makes or break the cauliflower. Okay. But it's a nice spiciness to an otherwise very bland cauliflower, you know, and it gives a nice vibrant color. Can you see?
Yes.
Right, okay.
Beautiful in color.
Right,
well,
okay.
cooking is all about the technique.
But also, not only technique, we feast with our eyes first.
True, yes.
So it has to present very well, and you know, the flavors must work. They say, you know, in culinary terms, they say the flavors must marry well. Alicia, so the goal is to get as much marinade to every part of this cauliflower.
Okay.
It stays
So
firm.
when you steam it, it gets a little bit softer in texture?
You don't steam it, you just keep it in you steep it in a little bit of boiling water.
Okay, you mentioned steep, okay.
Yeah, it's steep, you steep it in so that it stays for like about 5 minutes in boiling water.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Alicia, so it's well coated.
Yes.
It's ready. And because I'm doing just one steak, I'm going to use the air fryer. Air fryer is considered to be a very healthy way of cooking, so that we don't use too much of oil. And as people that are health conscious, this is a nice way to prepare. And
well, look how pretty that looks.
it is. It looks like the tree of life.
Yes, and it looks so appealing to kids as well. I mean, they're so creative in their imagination. So to prepare something like this, well, you're winning the kids' heart.
Okay, Alicia, while you're busy marinating that piece of cauliflower, I'm just going to go to the air fryer to start the...
Okay, no problem.
Okay, Alicia, I'm going to put it in for about 15-20 minutes and at the maximum temperature possible. And it's actually so handy to cook with an air fryer. You can just leave it in there and carry on with your other stuff, the other chores to do, and just give a peek now and again to make sure it doesn't get burnt. Don't you think it's a wonderful idea?
It is, absolutely.
Alicia? How does it
Wow.
look? Looks like a nice
It
cauliflower
looks so
steak.
glazed.
Isn't it lovely?
It's very, very lovely. It's got a very appetizing look to it.
Yeah.
And look how nice the colors contrast each other and complement each other, right?
Yes, it looks very nice. Isn't this a lovely meal with a healthy couscous starch?
Yes.
It's very good. I'm sure anyone would want to tuck in. It looks very appetizing and it's actually a very health conscious meal to have. And the couscous didn't take long. Just steep it in a little bit of boiling water, add your flavorings and your seasoning. But the steak does look amazing.
It does. Absolutely. It looks amazing.
It's actually disguised that it's the humble cauliflower. So do enjoy preparing our Tikka Gobi.